Union sets. I will show you 3-4 examples through which you will understand what is union sets. First of all, union set. Union is represented by capital U, or you can say this shape. So let's start with example. First, I have a set of children, we will denote this by capital A, who like chocolate flavored ice cream, and this is A, D, F. This is the set of children who like chocolate flavored ice cream. And we have another set of children who like vanilla flavored ice cream, and name of children started from Q, D, T. These are the set of students. Now we have to write A union B. This A union B. A union B means at least one flavor. Student who likes at least one flavor. At least one flavor means it can be more than one, but one is minimum target. So let's start with A. Set A. Student A. Student A like chocolate ice cream. So we will write here A. D. Student D likes both flavor, vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream. D is here also and here also. So D, our condition is at least one. So it can be more than one. D, and then F. F likes only chocolate ice cream. And let's come to B. Q. Q likes only flavored ice cream. Vanilla flavored ice cream. And already we written G here. T. T likes only vanilla flavored. So this is the set of A union B, where all students who likes at least one flavored ice cream. So in this way we can write the union set. Let's see next example. We have set of some people who likes music. So P, Q, L, T. These people like music. And we have set of some people who like dance. A, Q, B, P. Now again we are going to write M union D, means we are writing the name of the person at least one activity. They are following at least one activity. At least one activity means it can be more than one, but one is the minimum criteria. So let's start with music. P. P only likes music? No. P likes music here and dance also. So we'll start with P. Q. Q also likes music and dance. L. L only likes music. T. T also only likes music. A. Only dance. B. Only dance. So in this way we can write the union set. Now if we will write this in Venn diagram. This is music. This is dance. This is the part for the person who likes both music and dance. So here P, P, Q and Q both like music and dance both. So we can write P and Q here because this is the place which area contain music and both, and L only likes music, T only likes music, A only likes dance, B only likes dance. So in this way we can represent Venn diagram also. Last example, we have some people who likes classical dance. So A, S, T, Q, and we have some people who likes hip hop dance. C, S, T, L. Now C union H, classical union hip hop. Union means at least one. Start with A. A likes only classical dance. S. S likes classical and hip hop both. T. T likes classical and hip hop both. Q. Q likes classical only. L. L likes classical only. And C. L likes hip hop only. C also likes hip hop only. Now this is the set of C union H. Now Venn diagram. This is C, this is H. A likes only classical. S likes classical and hip hop both. So this is the part of both activity. So we will write S here, T both. So we will write T here, and Q. Q likes only classical. L only likes hip hop. C only likes hip hop. In this way we represent union set. I hope you understand the topic. If you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.